Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों से अपने लास्ट वीडियो में शेयर किया था कि हम लोगों ने अपना हाउस ऑलरेडी सेल कर दिया है एंड आज हम लोगों को अपनी अपार्टमेंट की चाबी मिल गई है. सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ यू गाइज माई एम्प्टी अपार्टमेंट टूर. सो यस, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही हमें चाबी मिली एंड वी जस्ट केम इन द अपार्टमेंट टू जस्ट हैव अ लुक एंड जस्ट सी हाउ इट इज़. हमने पहले भी अपार्टमेंट देखा हुआ है बट टुडे आई वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू गाइज माई empty apartment tour. Before sharing with you guys my apartment, I just wanted to let you guys know मेरे हर वीडियो में मुझसे कुछ questions पूछे जा रहे हैं related to my house and my house selling and all those things. So if you guys have any question for me, then please leave your questions in the comment section below. I'll make sure to make a video and just answer all your questions in that video all at once, so that instead of answering each and every one of your comment, I can simply make a video and मैं उसमें आपके सारे questions easily answer कर सकती हूँ. It will be easier for you guys as well. So yes, अगर आपके भी कुछ questions हैं तो please let me know in the comment section. I'll make sure to make a video and answer all your questions in there. So अपने questions नीचे comment section में लिखना मत भूलिएगा. तो yeah, without much further ado, let's start with the empty apartment. Welcome to the empty apartment tour. And अब जैसे ही enter करते हो just excuse all the boxes क्योंकि already हमने boxes रखना start कर दिया है यहाँ पे. So this is how the living area looks like and we have the kitchen over there and over here is the dining room and this is how the kitchen looks like. I know कि lighting इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है अभी but this is how the kitchen is. These are the cabinets and appliances. And yeah. So this is the dining area and this is our entrance to the apartment. अभी मेरे husband सारा सामान ला के रख रहे हैं, so that's why all these boxes. And as we go here is a hallway and इधर है हमारी pantry. I know it is really small but that's fine. Then as we move further, over here we have the first bathroom and over here is the second bedroom. And this is how the closet looks like. We move on to the second bedroom. So this is the master bedroom and master bedroom के अंदर they have the washer and dryer and this is how it looks like. I know अभी अंधेरा हो चुका है तो बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट तो अभी नहीं है but yeah, this is how the room looks like. And then over here we have the his and hers. This is his of course and this is hers क्योंकि इन लोगों ने ऊपर भी दिया है और यहाँ नीचे भी दिया है, so that's a good thing. And and then over here we have the master bathroom. And this is how it looks like. Good thing is that they have a shower. So yeah. Thank you much. So yes, this is how and they even have the small kitchen window in the kitchen, which we can use as a kitchen island. And this is how the kitchen looks like from outside. Kitchen is okay, ठीक ठाक है, बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं है तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है. But the thing that I liked is इसका living space अलग है and the dining space is different. So we have two separate places here, and yes. So yes, you guys, that was all about my empty apartment tour. I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा. So this apartment is not exactly what we wanted to have in an apartment, क्योंकि हमें पता था कि हमें कहीं ना कहीं तो sacrifice करना ही पड़ेगा. So this apartment almost met like 75 to 80% of the things that we wanted in an apartment. So इसीलिए हम लोगों ने ये apartment choose किया. इसका स्कूल बहुत ही अच्छा है and इसका neighborhood बहुत अच्छा है and we have a lot of friends here. आयुष के बहुत सारे friends हैं यहाँ पे. So इसीलिए हम लोगों ने ये apartment choose किया and it almost has like many things that we wanted, but not everything for sure. But that's okay because rental में हमें 100% सब कुछ तो नहीं मिल सकता. So that is completely fine and we are happy with this apartment and I hope आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगा होगा. So yes, that was it about my empty apartment tour. I will catch you guys in my next video. अगर आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो please give this video a like and अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो please go ahead and subscribe to my channel because so many fun home decor videos and like all those sorts of videos in making this apartment our house for the next few years will be coming up on my channel. And मैं पूरे इस apartment को decorate करने वाली हूँ, like each and every room and everything. So I'll be making sure to share everything with you guys. So अगर आप वो सब videos देखने में interested हैं तो please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and please let me know in the comment section कि आपको मेरा ये apartment कैसा लगा. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.